Hey, hi, folks. Once again, I just finished meeting with some clients here. And I always like to jump on here because I am committed to educating folks about life insurance and how you can use it to create generational wealth and become your own banker. It is great information. It's game changing for folks that can wrap their minds around the concept. But I always like to begin with folks by asking them a question or a series of questions for that matter. If you do, in fact, have life insurance, let me ask you this question. Does your life insurance have long term care benefits attached to it? What do you mean? Well, if you become critically ill, chronically ill, or terminally ill, I mean, like with cancer, heart attack, stroke, debilitating disability will prevent you from working and earning an income. When you become terminally ill, where you have 12 months or less to live, um, does your current policy, will it pay you monies to live on and help you through those devastating times in your life? If it doesn't, well, there are policies out here that has those type of benefits attached to them. The type of policies that I like to help my clients have. Second, do you understand how to build generational wealth through life insurance? Have you heard of a financial vehicle that will allow you to participate in the market gains when the market is in fact favorable, but also protects you or safeguards you from any loss? Yes, I did mean to say any loss. It protects you from the market volatility where you cannot lose. You have a zero floor, so zero is in fact your hero. If that resonates with you and you want to learn more about that, get with a financial professional such as myself. We would love to sit down with you and illustrate how this can be a game changer for you financially, for you and your family in the future. But it's just like anything else. You've got to educate yourself about it. People say, well, I've never heard of that. Well, it's a lot of things I never heard of until I actually took the time to educate myself about it. And once I became enlightened, then it was my responsibility to move from the just the information stage to the implementation stage. I had a lady ask me, she said, Michael, um, my dad, he died and he didn't have any life insurance. No life insurance. I want you to think about something. Do you think that gentleman that passed without life insurance, do you think he did not know what life insurance was? Do you think that out of all of the 65 years he'd been on this earth, that he had never heard or been propositioned about the need for life insurance and what it could do in your final expense situations? I would venture to believe that he heard about life insurance. He knew what it could do. He knew how it could protect his family from holding the bill on his final expense burial costs. So many of us know, we've heard of how life insurance can create generational wealth. We've heard about the infinite banking or becoming your own banking or becoming your own banker concept. But we get stuck in just the information phase and we never advance or graduate to the implementation phase. I know that was a bad example but it's a real example. There are more people that die every day without life insurance in America, and I would venture to say that they heard about it, that they knew about it, and more importantly, somebody's probably talked to them about it, but they never moved from the information stage to the implementation stage. And like I always say in my conferences or my seminars, what you don't know cannot and will not help you. Get educated. I would love to sit down with you, whether it's face to face over Zoom or in person, and just show you illustration of how this financial vehicle could literally change the game for you. Give me a call. Love to hear from you. 317-709-8704. We're going to be doing a lot more of this educating on this particular platform, and I'll be bringing on other professionals to talk to you guys about this. But if you like this information, share it. If you know someone in your family that does not have life insurance, that needs to know about life insurance, that wants to be educated on this generational wealth concept or the banking concept, share this information and let's help one another as a community of folks. Teach one. Let's do this together. Looking forward to helping you. And like I said, give me a call. Love it. Help you and your family anytime. And as always, God bless.